Okay, we are going to take the paper and fold it in half from one corner to the other and make a triangle. Make sure you line up the edges really good, and then I think it's easier if you start in the middle and then push out when you're folding. There's your triangle, and then from there you're going to fold it in half again. You line up the 2 points and then slowly make your way down and then push out. When you're doing origami, you want to make sure that you get a nice, firm crease. After you do that, you're going to turn your triangle like this, and then you will fold one corner up to the top, and then fold it down. And you can hold here in the middle. You're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Once you have your first module completed, you'll want to go ahead and pick it up. You're going to open these 2 flaps, and then you're going to fold it one more time so you crease the middle, and then you fold it back up. You're going to do that on all 3 so that they kind of sit like this. Once you have your 3 modules completed, you're going to just pick up 2 like this, and then you're going to hold one in your hand with the 2 flaps facing up and the other one with the flaps facing down, and then you're going to insert one into the other. So one of these wings will just fit right into this fold here, and the other one you just push in like that. Actually, you can open it up and put it like this so they are held together. Okay, congratulations, you have gotten your first 2 modules put together. You can notice that it's starting to make your final form. We're just missing this last piece. So you can go ahead and, to do this part, you're going to flatten it like this. Notice that the 2 wings open like this on this left-hand side. You're going to take your final module. You can go ahead and open it up, and then you're going to fold it like the other ones. You're going to want the 2 flap sides to be pointing to your right, and you're going to slip it together. Like so. Now that you have your basic form put together, you're going to want to go back and just double check to make sure that you have everything tucked together so it holds. So here, I need to pull this back out, and I'm going to slip it in to where these 2 pieces come apart, and I'm just going to tuck it in so it makes it nice and tight. And you can just kind of go around and do that on each side. Great job! You finished your first hexahedron origami. I hope you had fun, and check back for more origami projects soon.